Brass Eagle adventure team in The Mystery in the Jungle.
An agent of a special unit vanished during his last mission. After a year-long investigation, his remains have been located. We have been called in to recover his remains, and the item he lost his life recovering. Our journey takes us to a remote part of the Amazon jungle. We are about a mile away, Lee.
Do we know anything about the item?
Yes, it's incredible groundbreaking technology. It can detect fauna within a mile of the device using a special antenna.
My guess is that it was being used to study animals in the Amazon.
That is correct. The agent was tasked with recovering the device for the researchers who were ambushed by a group of soldiers a few weeks ago.
Did any of the researchers survive?
Only a few.
This device could be misused if it fell into the wrong hands.
I see the agent's remains over there.
What happened to his gear?
Good question. According to the report, his last message was brief. Item recovered. Extraction requested. No situation updates.
That's odd. What the?
Take cover.
Do you think it's dead?
I hope so.
What the heck is it?
A drone or robot. I think it was searching for the device.
We have it now and we will return it to the rightful owners.
I'll call HQ for extraction. We have accomplished our assignment, and we shall give the agent a burial with military honors. Without his efforts to recover this device, it would have fallen into the wrong hands.
Who knows what evil they could have done with such a device?
The end. And now, the Brass Eagle Files. This is Lundy Thornhill, is the Supreme Commander at Brass Eagle Adventure Team, a founding member and one of the veteran adventurers. His position requires a unique set of skills and personality traits. With his expertise in communications and black powder guns, Lundy is a valuable asset to the team. However, it's his leadership qualities that truly set him apart. Lundy is decisive, generous, and strategic, making him an excellent leader. He has a strong sense of values and is always willing to put the needs of the team first. Lundy is friendly, calm, and fearless in all situations, which makes him a natural leader in high-pressure situations. Lundy's education is also impressive, with a PhD in anthropology and archaeology. This background gives him a unique perspective when it comes to exploring new territories and discovering artifacts. Overall, Lundy Thornhill is an exceptional leader with a unique set of skills and personality traits. His expertise in communications and black powder guns, combined with his leadership qualities, make him an invaluable asset to the Brass Eagle Adventure Team. Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we continue the adventure. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.